Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spring clean with me, and we're going to be starting off that spring cleaning here in the boys' playroom. This is also where Owen sleeps, and this is also currently the messiest room in the house. So before I get started with the spring cleaning, I have to get this room cleaned up, and I need to come up with a better cleaning routine for this room so it doesn't get so messy. And here in the corner you can see there's a pile of clothes because I've been going through all of the baby clothes that Owen has outgrown, and I've been donating them and selling some of them. It's really hard to donate and sell their baby clothes, but I am still hanging on to quite a few of them. I just kept a tub full of just like the sentimental clothes or clothes that had special memories or that were my favorite on both of the boys. But there was just so many clothes stored in that closet, and there was no reason to hang on to them all, so it was just time to go through them. I've been able to sell quite a few of them so far actually, and then the rest I've just been donating. And I've also been going through the rest of that closet and deep cleaning it, so I don't really have to do much cleaning in the closet today. It's mainly just in this bedroom, and I want to go through all of these toys, maybe pack away a few more. I have 2 toy rotation boxes currently in their closet just to rotate the toys and have not so many in the room. Just keep the ones in their room that they're currently playing with, and just try to have them organized better in their room, because if I have their toys organized better, then it's going to be easier for them to keep them cleaned up, and it's going to be easier to establish some sort of cleaning routine for this room. I just need to make them pick it up every time before a nap or before bedtime, just to help to keep it under control. So once I got the room clean and organized and I got those sheets off of Owen's bed, then it was time to start doing a little bit more of deep spring cleaning in this room. And the first thing that I did was to grab my broom and sweep down the corners of the ceiling to get any cobwebs down that were up there. This is always the first thing that I do if you watch my videos, or if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I always start from the top to the bottom when I'm deep cleaning a room. And so this is always the first thing that I like to do. And then after that, we are going to move on to dusting. I'm using my favorite duster from Grove Collaborative, and Grove Collaborative still has the deal going on where you can get all of these items that you see here on the screen for free. An awesome deal. I love this little dish brush set with the pretty flowers on it. Just such a great deal. You get all of these Miss Myers products, just everything that you see on the screen there for free. So all you have to do is click the link down below and you will get all of those items for free with your first order of $20 or more. So I had to cut most of the clips of me cleaning this window because the lighting was so bad, but basically I just took my little handheld vacuum that I love from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and I just vacuumed down those curtains, and then I vacuumed the window seal, wiped it down. I didn't clean the window yet. I don't want to clean the windows in my house until our windy season is for sure over, because the springtime is our windy season here in Arizona and it can be blowing a lot of dust. So I'm not going to bother going to all the trouble of washing those windows until I'm sure that that is over. And then I got started on the vacuuming, moved that teepee so I could vacuum behind it. The boys have been eating snacks back there, so there was some crumbs back there that I had to get vacuumed up, and I vacuumed out the inside of the teepee. And I will have this cordless vacuum linked down below. It's from Amazon and I love it. I've been using it for a few weeks now and it's awesome. I have no complaints about it. Like I've said in a previous video, the lights on it are really fun and it makes vacuuming fun. Like I've literally been vacuuming my house every single day because this vacuum is so much fun to use and it works so awesome. I can use it on the wood floors and on the carpet. The very last thing I did was to get some Sleepy essential oil diffusing in this oil diffuser because Owen was going to go down for a nap, and I'll try to link this oil diffuser down below, and I'll also have a link for Simply Earth down below. That's where I get the essential oil from. I am an affiliate with them, so you can get a ton of free stuff with my link if you want to try out essential oils or if you're already using them. And now this room is spotless, clean, and organized. It feels and smells so good in here now. And now if I can just keep this room clean and organized, I'm going to try to establish a clean routine with the boys that they have to pick it up before nap time and bedtime. And hopefully that way we can keep it clean better. Here I'm just showing you those 2 tubs full of toys for toy rotation on the shelf in their closet. It's a lot of toys, but it's just toys that they're not currently playing with, so we'll just have those packed away for now. And out here in the hallway is stuff that I'm getting rid of out of their room, that bag full of clothes to donate, a pillow, some containers, boxes, and then of course we have that basket full of laundry that we have to get started. And I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's fabric softener in the scent Bluebell. This smells so good, and I can't remember if I've ever tried the scent Bluebell before, but it smells really good. And then I used Method laundry soap, and both of those, laundry soap and fabric softener, are both from the Grove Collaborative website. So if you're placing your order for your free items, you can grab some of those as well if you want to try them. And so now that that room is deep cleaned, I am going to work on this side of the living room. We've got 2 sides to our living room on either side of the fireplace, and today I'm just going to focus on this side over here, and I'm going to get this spring cleaned. We're going to tidy it up a little bit before we get started with the spring cleaning. I always like to have a room relatively picked up and clean before I start deep cleaning it. So I'm going to be doing pretty much the same deep cleaning routine that I did in the playroom, starting by taking that broom and sweeping down any cobwebs that are in the corners of the ceilings, and then I'll be dusting, cleaning the curtains and the window seals and all of that. Owen colored a little bit on the wall here with a crayon, and so I just used a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to get that off. And just a heads up, if you didn't already know, Mr. Clean Magic Erasers will take crayon right off. You don't even have to scrub that hard, and it just comes off. It's like magic. I'll be using that same handheld vacuum to vacuum down these curtains, and I love this handheld vacuum. My favorite one that I've ever had. It has amazing suction, good long battery life. I'll have the link for it down below. It's from Amazon, and I also made an Amazon storefront, and I have the link for that in every description box of every video, so you can click on that and head over and just shop items that I add to there. I'm constantly adding new items. I found a wooden Bible stand for sale on Amazon, which a lot of you asked me where to buy those, so I added that to my storefront. I added a rug that's similar to mine, the same kitchen chairs that I have, my vacuum, my mop, my handheld vacuum, just all of the things that I could find I've added on there, and I will be constantly adding more, so you can shop that by clicking the link down below. I moved this couch and ottomans so that I could vacuum under there, and this little rug, and I found quite a few surprises under there thanks to the boys, like goldfish crackers and other little snack items. That is going to be it for today's spring cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration, and that you were able to clean along with me. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. Also, you can head over and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!